Yeah, so I've just gotten home after a bit of a roundabout right at tight around town. And there I've got some bamboo in the truck, of course, for bamboo stakes. And the project continues. So there it all is in there. It's got to come out of there. How it's going to come out of there, how easily it's going to come out of there, I don't know. But I got 2 stakes for my tomatoes. So I've got 1 tomato down there, another 2 tomatoes there, another 2 tomatoes there, and then I went to good old Bunnings and I got me some lettuce, silver beet, parsley. I do believe those are cabbages, along with my peas, and the rest of it, spinach, beans. We should be making for a good little side dish of vegetables. And then I got some chicken wire so that the runners can run through. I got a couple more pallets to make a couple more standing braces, and turn that old broken down wheelbarrow into another raised garden. And I've got another one. It used to be a fish aquarium. Over there. But as it would have it, it's got that plastic thing sticking out from it. Yeah. So, yeah. Still got tidy up to do, but right now at the moment I'm going to get into it. I only got 2 bags of topsoil there. Yeah. And my boy, he's relaxing. Say hello, my boy. Say hello. Say handsome man. Say blue boy, my boy. Say hello. Oh, I've got tie wire in my hand. Oh, you want to hide around over there? Okay. Talk to the hand. The sun just went down over there. Somewhere, hey my boy. Hey my boy. Time to say goodbye, eh? Say goodbye, my boy. Yeah? Oh boy. Oh boy. Say goodbye, my boy. Oh, whoa. Yeah. So, what we got done was I organised my toolbox. We've done this little flash netting thing here, so that when the beans come up, I'll have something to grow up onto. And I might extend it out to here somewhere, out to here. Hey my boy. Hey. Oi. Oi. Kaha. Oh. And then planted some bean seeds down the back of that there. Down along there, just in this bit of dirt here. And then planted some Iron Man, I think they are. First time I planted that seed of silver beet with last year's spinach. Got some lettuce, like I said before, just leftover Silver beet, I think is silver beet, I think is raw beans need some water, so I think I'll get those in the ground tomorrow. So I've got 4 more of these. And I'll make another one of those. Put this in it. I've got some primo beautiful topsoil there. And yeah. But look at how clean the yard is coming up on this side. I've picked up a few things. So you can see where the bin's there and the old bin was there. And the old bin was there. And 1 or 2 bins are in that space there. I'll pick that one up tomorrow, empty what's in there tomorrow. And I might convert this old wheelbarrow planter to something and get rid of that rubbish in the corner. So it's all coming up clean. It's a work in progress. Like I say, it's all a work in progress. It's a little bit messy, but I can do something with that timber. I can do something with this plywood. It's all coming along. I'll pick that up in the morning. So yeah. Hey. Say goodbye, my boy. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. High five. High five. High five. High five, my boy. Good boy. Good night.